Do you want to learn how to get a $28 flight to Australia using United Airline Miles with one credit card sign-up bonus? Then keep watching. What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you want to learn how to travel anywhere in the world almost free by using credit cards and travel points, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. So going to Australia seems like it could be pretty pricey, but it doesn't have to be. You don't have to spend $1,000 on a flight to Australia. There are ways where you could get really cheap flights to Australia from anywhere in the US. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the top 3 credit cards that will give you a big enough sign-up bonus to get you to Australia with only $28 in taxes. And then I'm gonna show you exactly how to book these flights from anywhere in the US to Australia on the United Airlines website. United Airlines is part of Star Alliance, which means that you have access to a few different partner airlines to get you to Australia from the US and still only use United Airline Miles. I really love United Airline Miles because they are so easy to use and really easy to find availability for award seats. So before I get into exactly how you could book those flights, let's talk about how much the points price is for United Airline Miles to get to Australia. So for economy, it's 40,000 United Airline Miles for United flights as well as Star Alliance flights. For business class, it would be 80,000 United Airline Miles one way for United, and then 90,000 for Star Alliance. And then it's 100,000 miles for United in first class, and then 130,000 miles in Star Alliance flights. Now that you have an idea of what the miles price would be to get to Australia, let's go over the top 3 cards that will give you a big enough sign-up bonus for these flights. The first card on the list is the Chase United Explorer card, which offers a sign-up bonus of 40,000 United Airline Miles after completing a minimum spending of $2,000 in 3 months, with the annual fee of $95 waived the first year. So if you want more information or to apply for this card or any of the cards mentioned in this video, you could click the link in the description. Some of the other benefits of this card are 2 miles per dollar spent on restaurants and hotels, and you also get TSA pre-check or global entries. Keep in mind that the sign-up bonus of 40,000 isn't that high compared to other times of the year. Usually there's an elevated sign-up bonus of 50,000 United Airline Miles. The next card to get you to Australia is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, offering a sign-up bonus of 50,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after completing a minimum spending of $4,000 in 3 months, with the annual fee of $95 waived the first year. This is great. That means that you could try out the card for the first year, use all the points to get to Australia, all the benefits, and then around 10-11 months, see if it's worth keeping the next year and pay the annual fee of $95. There are way too many benefits to go over with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card in this video, so if you want more information on this card and why I think it's the best card for beginners, you could click the link above for that. So to get your Chase points into United Airline Miles, it's a pretty simple process. You would go into the Chase portal where all your Chase Ultimate Reward points are, and you transfer over to United Airlines at a 1-to-1 ratio for free, and it's almost instant. So once you transfer over the 40,000 Chase points, convert it into United Airline Miles, that's your flight to Australia right there. The next card on the list, and I saved the best for last, is the Chase Inc. Preferred card, offering a sign-up bonus of 80,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after completing a minimum spending of $5,000 in 3 months, with an annual fee of $95. So the reason why I think this is great, because 80,000 Chase points, when you transfer over to United Airlines, to 80,000 United Airline Miles, that is a round trip to Australia right there. Or you could use that for a one-way business class flight from anywhere in the US to Australia. So just with that one sign-up bonus, you're saving well over $1,000 on that round trip to Australia. Now that you know how many United Airline Miles you need to get to Australia and which credit cards will give you a big enough sign-up bonus to give you those miles, let's head over to united.com and I'll show you exactly how to book these flights to Australia. Once we get to united.com, we're gonna book our award flight. So we're gonna choose a one-way from Houston to Sydney, and we're gonna do August 2019, one adult. Make sure you click search for award travel and then click find flights. A few years ago, we went to Australia with my wife and 2-year-old daughter at the time. We got to see a bunch of wildlife like kangaroos and koalas. We went to beautiful beaches. So we would definitely go back to Australia, definitely recommend it. Once we're taken to the search results page, we're going to scroll down a bit and we see that we have a few days here. Here's a 7-day calendar. If you want to look at all the days available, click View 30-Day Calendar. The search result shows us 30 days that are available. As you see, it's all around the same price for economy flights with miles and taxes. As you see, for economy, it's 40,000 United Airline miles and $28 in taxes. And for business, it's 80,000 with $28 in taxes. Once you figure out which flight you want, you click select, put in all your information, and book the flight. Simple as that. And if you scroll to the top, there's a little option here where you could check price by cash, and if we update, just to get an idea of how much these costs are. And the search results show us that that same exact non-stop flight, same exact day, is $889. And depending on where you're flying from, this could easily be over $1,000. As you see, the process of getting to Australia with United Airline Miles is pretty simple, and it's not too hard to get to Australia with one credit card sign-up bonus, saving you well over almost $1,000. Do you plan on using United Airline Miles to get to Australia anytime in the future? I would love to hear a comment below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos just like this, you could click any of these links over here to travel anywhere in the world almost free. I'll see you in the next video.